Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I currently live in Western Maryland. I guess I say currently because we are a previous military family, so we did move around a lot. Maryland's been our home for probably the last 6 years. I work at the Mental Health Association here in Frederick County. I do two things here at the Mental Health Association. I work the call center, which runs 8 or 9 lines. We do Frederick County Hotline, 211 Maryland, and one of the other lines we do is the Suicide Lifeline, Prevention Lifeline. I really, really like that job. I enjoy working and helping with people on the phone. I also do systems navigation, which works with families within the community, helping them navigate the programs within the community that can benefit their family, with kids ages 0 to 26 at this point. One of our new clientele that we're looking to work with is the disconnected youth from ages 17 to 26. Even though we do work with some of the younger ones, though, that is the demographic that we're starting to focus on right now. I've been at that job for almost 2 years. I have a bachelor's in psychology, and probably the only research that I am familiar with is just research from when doing research papers and things like that. I did read a little bit of research with my sister when she was going through grad school herself not too long ago, but I didn't really understand what she was writing. So I know that research helps us with a lot of things that is going on in our lives and with work. I look forward to learning more and understanding better how research impacts our careers and life in general. One of the things that I'm kind of excited about, believe it or not, is the group project to actually hands-on learn how to implement the things that we're learning. I know that will be really beneficial with work, since system navigation, and it's a grant-funded program, we have to do a lot of data collection and presenting that information and that data to the funders. That's something that my colleague, who is full-time, usually does, and I try to pretend like I'm not interested and don't want to do it. So with this class, at least when we're working to gather the information, I will better understand what it is exactly. Well, not only why we're gathering the information and what that can do to help our funding. So I'm excited to do the hands-on, since that's the best way I learn, is hands-on. So look forward to working with everyone. I am nervous because this is new and it looks a little more daunting than the rest, but I know that once we get our hands in there, it'll be something that we'll be able to use in our career. Bye.